What are some possible reasons why my cake doesn't cook in the middle, and how can I fix it?
Hello there, baking enthusiasts. We've all been there. You've followed your recipe meticulously, yet your cake isn't cooking properly in the middle. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind this common problem and learn how to fix it. We'll discuss the possible reasons why your cake isn't baking evenly and provide practical solutions to make your next baking adventure a success.
Is your oven working correctly?
Firstly, let's consider the role of your oven. Is it heating accurately? Oven temperature inconsistency is a common issue that can prevent your cake from cooking in the middle. A straightforward solution is to use an oven thermometer to verify the oven's internal temperature against the temperature you've set. You can adjust the temperature accordingly if it's off.
Are you using the right baking pan?
The type of pan you use can significantly influence how your cake cooks. Dark-colored or non-stick pans tend to absorb more heat, potentially causing the outside of your cake to cook faster than the inside. It's best to use a light-colored or an aluminum pan for more even heat distribution. If you're baking a deep cake, consider using a heating core or a flour nail in the middle to promote more even cooking.
Have you measured your ingredients correctly?
Your cake's ingredients play a critical role in the baking process. Too much sugar, liquid, or leavening can make the cake fall in the middle, giving the illusion of it being undercooked. Make sure you're measuring your ingredients accurately. Use scales for precision if necessary.
Are you mixing your batter correctly?
Over or under mixing your batter can result in a cake that doesn't cook evenly. The right mixing technique ensures an even distribution of ingredients and the correct structure for your cake. Make sure to follow the mixing instructions in your recipe closely, and remember that typically, once the flour is added, the less you mix, the better.
Is your cake placed properly in the oven?
Finally, the position of your cake in the oven matters. Placing the cake too high can cause the top to brown before the middle is cooked. On the other hand, if it's too low, the bottom may cook too quickly. A good practice is to place your cake in the center of the oven and ensure it's not too close to either the back or the front of the oven, which tend to be hotter. So, there you have it. Now you know the potential reasons why your cake isn't cooking in the middle and some practical solutions. Happy baking, and remember, every mistake is a learning opportunity to become a better baker. May your next cake be perfectly cooked from top to bottom, inside and out.